Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add songs to your library on the YouTube Music application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, you should select a song either from the home section. Here you are going to see your suggested items, your favorite artists. These are mixes for you, and if you click on the explore button, you are free to select from new releases, charts, and discover songs from the moods and genres section. So click on the relevant song that you would like to add to your library. You should click on the three dots icon next to its title and then tap on add to library. Now if you click on the library section, you are going to see in the songs section that that particular song has been added to the songs section. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.